USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against yen. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video you will find some links. It says join free Telegram channels, so go and join the Telegram if you want some free signals every now and then. It's free. Check out the pro firm and the brokers right here. Sign up with these brokers, open a separate account starting with the demo. I want you to have a separate broker account when you are going to trade with my signals because I need the data separately. Don't mix my signals with something else, okay? So through all of that, it's all free. Subscribe, like, and let's get back to the chart, starting the top-down approach with weekly time frame. In weekly, what do we have? So this low is never broken. So we made a high. So this was the start of the uptrend in weekly. Then pullback. This pullback never crossed below this low. So we can say this is the uptrend in weekly. And now we are going up again. So weekly, we are going to move very slowly. So you have to identify, just like I identified the trend as this candle closed on weekly, which was on 19th of May. Okay. Now on 19th of May, or let's say on 19 plus 7, 26th. On 26th of May, I told, or I knew that this is the start of a new uptrend in weekly. But weekly, it's like too long to wait. So let's go back to daily. In daily, now what do we have? In daily, we are near the EMA. Pay attention, guys. Okay, you see these candles? Low, 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 low. All these candles were far away from the EMA. The EMA and the distance was too far, okay? But this low is very near to the EMA. And now we are more likely going to, so let me check. This is 870 and this is 859. This could be a double, this could be a double top as well, okay? In daily, so this low is not broken by this low. This high is not broken by this high. So this could turn out as a trend reversal and it might go down as a pullback, okay? Because if you use your, this line here, you can see now that these two red candles did not break the previous low. So I can tell you that we are in the uptrend in daily, okay? Now for the official confirmation, if you want to know when are we officially up, we are officially in the uptrend in USDJPY, for that a blue candle has to close above the EMA completely or maybe partially, okay? So until so far right now we have the rejection from the EMA. So what could happen in daily is that we might take a pullback and then we might carry on going up. Okay, I don't see any sign. No, I don't see any signs of going down because these two red candles did not make a new low. Okay, so in daily we are going up. It's just that we might take a pullback for one day and then continue going up. And as soon the candle will close above the EMI, that will be the confirmation of the uptrend in USD. Now one more thing here, US dollar had been US dollar came into downtrend on 30th of February 2025, just before your Valentine Day, okay? So you have to understand when you are doing these techniques, you have to know the market insights when dollar is in the uptrend or downtrend. So on 13th of Feb, that was the officially when dollar came into the downtrend. And I'm expecting in next 4 or 5 days or this week that officially dollar will be in the uptrend pretty soon, okay? Because 4 months are too much for one currency to be in the downtrend or uptrend, okay? So from 13 February until 13 June, I think dollar will be, just going up into the, so from 13 February onwards, we were in the downtrend in dollar. And now I think from 13 June onwards, completing these 4 months, we will be in the uptrend. Official confirmation will come, through my videos anyway. But when the candle will close above the EMA, that's when you understand that we are in the uptrend. And then that will happen for all dollar pairs. So next 3 months will be for dollar to go up, okay? But we will take things step by step. So coming back to 4 hour, when is your entry? The previous high is broken. Quite very, very simple. You just go here, use your fib levels right here till here, wait for the pullback, then go long. That's it, okay? So wait for the pullback to happen to maybe 50%, 60%, then wait for the blue confirmation candle and then go for 1:2 ratio, as I'm confirming that dollar is going to go up in next coming weeks or days, okay? So look for longs in 4 hour. That's all I have for you. So if you like what you see, subscribe, like, share the video, join the Telegram, and join the brokers and all of that. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, keep following, subscribe, and all of that. Thank you.